Getting in and out of a lifted truck can be a whole workout, and nobody wants to slip off a bare door sill, especially in rain, mud, or when you're carrying gear. That's why today we're checking out the best running boards for the GMC Canyon, so you can step in with confidence and keep your truck looking clean and protected. And hey, don't forget, all the links to every product are sitting right there in the video description. Rough Country's electric running boards bring a little luxury and a whole lot of muscle to the Canyon. The dual motor setup keeps the steps deploying smoothly, even in freezing, muddy, or stormy conditions. The anti-slip tread stays grippy in wet boots, and the built-in light strip kicks on automatically, so you're never stepping into the dark. They retract flush for a clean look, protect your rocker panels, and support 660 pounds per side, all without drilling. If you want high-end features without dealership prices, these hit hard. IRONBISON's boards are basically side armor disguised as steps. The heavy-duty carbon steel frame, pentagon tubing, and 1.7-inch round reinforcement bar add serious protection, especially if you trail ride or bounce around job sites. The full 360-degree E-coating and textured powder finish shrug off scratches and rust. They bolt right up using factory positions, and buyers love that the fit is spot on for the Canyon crew cab. Tough, simple to mount, and built to take abuse. Exactly what off-road guys want. Binary Star takes a more compact approach with a 3.5-inch drop that's great for anyone who just needs easier entry without going full rock slider. The carbon steel construction and powder coating hold up in salty winters, and the 8-bracket system, 4 per side, gives more stability than typical 3-bracket designs. The step pads grip well, and real-world reviewers say they feel rock solid even for heavier users. They support up to 450 pounds and install quickly with basic tools, making them a solid everyday choice. The Tyger Auto LanderX is all about style plus usable drop height. The triangular carbon steel tube is eye-catching, but also crazy strong, giving you a 5-inch step that's perfect for lifted trucks. Owners like the firm feel and the 500-pound weight capacity, and the dual-stage black powder finish keeps rust away. Installation is quick, about 20 minutes, and everything bolts to the rocker panel using factory mounting points. If you want something that stands out without going over the top, LanderX nails that balance. OEDRO's patented design is built for people who want rugged off-road performance with a unique look. The fully welded carbon steel frame, hefty 600-plus pound weight rating, and triple-layer powder finish help it survive harsh weather, mud, and debris. The chamfered profile keeps ground clearance tight while still giving a stable step. Install is bolt-on, though 2017 Plus models need a small trim on the DEF tank cover. Buyers appreciate that they feel extremely solid, almost like rock sliders with the convenience of Nerf bars. COMNOVA brings a wide 6-inch step pad with a textured, corrosion-resistant finish that holds up in salty climates and heavy sun. The slider-style adjustable design helps you fine-tune placement forward or backward, which reviewers love for getting the perfect angle and spacing. They support 500 pounds, bolt right on, and the glitter black powder coat looks sharper than typical matte finishes. They're a great fit if you want a stable wide step without going bulky. Tac's off-road style 4.2 5-inch oval tube boards give a wide, secure platform and a really clean Factory Plus look. The UV-resistant step pads stay grippy, and the heavy texture coating holds up well to scratches from boots and trail debris. The 1/5-inch steel brackets are beefy, and customers say they feel extremely rigid once mounted. Installation is straightforward, and TAC's support team is known for being responsive if you need fitment help. These are a confident, no-nonsense option for daily use and weekend off-road runs. Tyger Auto's riser boards bring back the classic factory-style running board, clean, simple, but surprisingly tough. The 4-inch steel tubing and UV-resistant pads make them ideal for everyday use. And the matte black finish resists rust long-term thanks to Tyger's multi-stage coating process. They support 500 pounds and mount in minutes with no drilling. Reviewers say they blend in with the Canyon's lines perfectly. If you want something practical, durable, and not flashy, these are the go-to. At the end of the day, the right running boards come down to how you use your Canyon. Whether you're hauling family, hitting trails, or just trying not to bust your shin every time you hop in. All the product links are in the video description, so check them out if you want more details or current pricing. And if this breakdown helped you out, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss more gear reviews and truck upgrades coming soon.